Now we would see pen tool. Just select the tool here and select this pen tool. The shortcut for this is P. This is basically for animating your audio points, your audio. Right now we do not want this video layer, as it is as this pen tool is only applicable on audios. It would basically animate the volume of your audio. So let's have a, if you go here, nothing happens. If you select the video, then this thing select the videos, but there won't be any kind of operation if you move this. So go to your audio, and if you come down at the middle of this, if you see, you'll see a plus icon here, as it's showing me here. So I would say click here, and it has created a keyframe. Let us on this. So I want, like, when it comes down to here, I would add one more keyframe here, and at this point of time I would create a keyframe here, and I want this keyframe to not at the same level, but I want it to be reduced. So what I would do is I would select here, and I would take this down a bit down. You can see the values also in minus, it is going in minus decibel. So yeah, now let us hear the music. Suppose at this point I wanted more down, so I would create a point and I would create more down. So now totally this volume has gone. So again at this point I would want at it at a normal level or a bit high level. Let's have a look at the entire audio. Yeah, so it is animating, and yeah, so this was the pen tool. This is the hand tool, stands for H. Shortcut is, this is basically when your timeline is zoomed out, when you click it and when you move it, you drag it to your left or maybe your right, it gives a scrolling kind of effect to your view. You can scroll it, you can scroll it and you can view it, rather than doing like this or rather like this. But I personally prefer like zoom in by plus sign on your keyboard and zoom out by minus sign, or you can do it from here. It's pretty user friendly. And this is the last tool, it's called zoom tool. The shortcut for this is Z. If you click on a particular timing, it zooms in. Like I've clicked here and it is getting me zoomed here, and this is going zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. And what if I want to zoom out? Then I need to press Alt on the keyboard, a minus sign would come and have to click. So click, 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 and yeah, this would give me an overall view of my timeline. Yeah, so these were the tools basically of the tools panel provided in Premiere.